something to eat.
I like something to eat.
What kind? Listen. Okay, stop. Once upon a time, there's a penguin queen. And he lived in a royal castle. And one day, and he has a helper named Daisy, and the queen's name is called Sweetheart Queen. So one day when Daisy and Sweetheart Queen are taking a break for afternoon sleep, a witch came over and gave the penguin poisonous. Ha ha! And he went away. And when Sweetheart Queen's helper Daisy woke up, he tried to wake up Sweetheart Queen, but he can't. So he decided to call the fairy, and the fairy makes her better. And then, when the witch comes again, before the witch could put the poison in the fairy's heart, the fairy do this, ching, and the witch got there, and the witch got too heavy, and so the Sweetheart Queen said to the fairy, "Thank you for saving me." And Sweetheart Queen and Daisy and the fairy lived happily ever after. The end. Without the queen. Hello, the